Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. My name is Dan. I just might want to start. I only have 6 minutes, and I have another reservation in 6 minutes. If that's okay with you,
Yes,
or
that's fine. So actually, I read your profile that you visited in a lot of countries. So
Mhm.
I am also interested to get some experience from your experience.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Well, what countries are you looking to go to? Do I say your name correctly? Ramzan?
Yes, after 1 month, I am going to Italy. So have you visited there?
Yeah, that's my heritage. My grandparents are both from Italy.
Oh, that's
uh,
nice.
they've been
And Gibraltar?
no Gibraltar. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, yeah.
No, I haven't been there. Yeah.
And Portugal?
No, not there either. Where in
Oh,
Italy are you going to?
yes. Actually, I have two projects which are in Portugal and Italy.
Portugal.
So
Okay, yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Where in Italy are you going to? What part of Italy do you know?
Actually, I have the address, but for now, the company is registered in Gibraltar, and I would have to live in Italy because the actual office is over there.
Hmm.
So, what's your experience of the culture? And if I am new, then what you will be suggesting me that what is the new experience over there?
Oh, okay. Well, I was in Italy a long time ago, but Italy it'd be great if you knew what city you were in, because Italy you have Rome and Venice and Florence and you have southern. I would think you're probably in northern Italy. I'm going to guess.
Uh-huh.
Um, People there, many people don't speak English. It's not that common.
Uh-huh.
So I would bring definitely Google Translate with you. That should help you.
Okay.
Pick up a little handbook and learn the basic. Like ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? And ¿Dónde está el baño? How to get to where's the bathroom and things like that. But the food is really good. I don't know. Do you like Italian food?
Actually, I never eaten because I am living in India. So maybe I will
Ah,
be
you're.
1 month.
Oh, okay. Well, it's going to be a big change for you. I mean, of course, I like all kinds of food. I like Indian food. I like Mexican food. I like Italian food. I like all kinds of food. But the food, it's not spicy. I know you're used to being spicy, so maybe you could bring some of your own spices with you to spice it up.
So
With the
yeah.
Italian sauce.
What about the security? You mean that is the safe country?
I thought it was safe when I was there. I never felt in danger. But like any cities,
Uh-huh.
there's always good parts and bad parts. You
So what
know.
is the bad part which you observed over there?
Well, I just never went to the bad parts. If are you going by yourself, Ramzan?
No, no, I get hired by a company.
No, but are you traveling by yourself? Is it just you, or are you going with other people?
No, no, I am alone.
Alone. Okay. Well, I would just go out. If you go out, I would not go out alone. Again, it depends on where you are. If you're in a city and you're in the main part of the city, you should probably be fine. But it's always good to go out in groups,
Yes, right.
with somebody else. Be safe. Always be careful with your wallet. I live in Ecuador, and like I never take out my phone and walk in the street and do this thing because people will actually come and grab the phone out of your hand.
Oh, yes. This is the best advice because I heard that that is a safe country and there is nothing like thieves and all. So of course, we need to be aware of everything.
Yeah, you just be careful. I think after you're there a few days, or how long will you be in Italy? Do you know?
Yes. For I have the contract of 5 years.
Wow, you're going to be
Yeah,
in Italy for 5 years.
yeah,
You were what in software? You're
yeah.
an IT person.
Software engineer. Yeah.
Wow, excellent, excellent. Oh, wow, good. That's a big change for you. 5 years.
Yes. Actually, I was working from home from last 4 months, and now the company is just providing me some more facilities, and of course, the salary is increased. So
Of
they are,
course, yeah.
yeah. So they are expecting that I should come there, and the productivity would be more.
And how are you going to get around the language barrier? You know what I mean? How will you be able to communicate?
Actually, my part is mostly a little bit introvert. I would not have to explain everything to others. So that is technical part. You can call it coding or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So in that way, it's quite easier for me to understand, because already I'm working with the partner of that country, that company. So it
Mm-hmm.
is easier for me to, yeah, communicate in that way.
Okay. And they speak Indian, the people that you
No,
deal with?
they speak English.
Oh, so you'll be okay then with the English. You seem to speak pretty well with the English.
Yes. That's why
Mm.
I'm practicing a bit more, so that
Yeah.
I understand them. And of course, they are also speaking Italian, Portuguese, but in most of the cases, I am the only person who could able to speak their English. So that's why.
Good. Well, listen, Ramzan, my other call is coming in, so I
Sure, sure.
want to wish you great luck. Okay.
Yes,
Good luck.
thank you so much.
Good luck to you. I hope you do well. I think you'll do fine.